Good morning. It's day 3 of our summer school on the farm. And it's PE time. So you love PE?
Yeah, I love PE.
All right. So instead of a walk yet, because baby sister is sleeping, we are doing swing set time, right?
Yeah.
And then we'll do centers.
Playground.
Oh, playground. They're having a ball.
I'm going home. It's really cute.
Good circles, girl. Good circles. So that's a capital B and a lowercase b. What is that?
A present.
Okay, what's in it? You got to draw what your favorite birthday present has been.
I know
Good, Reese. That's lowercase. Now do a capital one. Okay, red. Good. Now we're going to do our B's. So pretty. You're doing capital letter and lowercase letter.
This is mine and this is mine. You gotta make a map. I'm gonna clean it up anyway. But sample my pants, Mr. Choo Choo. Let me see if I get some of my pants. Good. That's stopping aggressive. You can get.
All right, so the girls are playing in the log house that Daddy built for me and Bubba when we were little, and now the girls get to play in it. So come inside. I put them a fan in here. Cute.
Here's your cookie with
Oh, thank you. Can you just set it right there?
It's for your baby.
Perfect. She's gonna love it. Oh, a Happy Meal? Lucky me.
And this is your toy. That's for you. That's for you, baby. But it does have food in it.
Oh, she's gonna love that. Thank you.
Some for you and some for Fahad.
Perfect. The girls are in there with the piglets. Riley is in her car seat right there in the stroller, just managing us. And I am hosing off the pig pen, so before hopefully it gets too terribly hot, which it has not been super hot yet this summer, which has been weird. But everybody has been fed. Now we're just cleaning up and hoping that Corey is coming home today. Fingers crossed. Are you ready? Okay, so you want your handprint to be orange?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me your hand.
Take me higher. Take me higher. Take me higher. Tickles.
Tickles.
Yeah.
Spread it out.
Oh,
Spread your fingers.
pretty. Miss Taylor does that to our hands. It tickles. Where's my other one?
Oh, be still, be still. Be still. Be still. For real, I can't do
I'm
it.
keeping it right here so when I come out
Hold on, because I got to keep them all wet, and then you're going to have to turn them over to do your handprint, okay? All right, are you ready?
Yeah.
Spread them out. Okay, and down. Hold on, don't move it. Ready, and straight up. Yay! Now go wash that one.
I'm gonna come hold the babies for me. You just come hold the babies for me.
Yep. This is our 4th of July glitter stick. We're going to put it on our face and probably in our hair. But I want to show y'all before, since we didn't have it this weekend for Memorial Day, what it looks like. So, all right, girls, y'all ready?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yes.
Give me your hand first. We're going to...
Oh, stop it.
Right, this is our first time. We'll see how this goes. Look how pretty.
You can leave that.
See, I wanted to have it this weekend. All right, let's see it on you.
Mama, why can't you roll
Oh,
it up?
that's so pretty. That'll be perfect for your school. Come here. I want to do it right here.
I did it. Ow, why is that so hard? Can you do it on both of our cheeks?
Let me see.
Do it on my cheek.
Okay.
Look, Mama, can you do it on
Let me do the other side.
Can you do it on both
The
of
other
our
cheek.
arms?
This cheek.
Can we do it on both of our arms? Ow!
That sure is pretty. I can't.
Daddy.
That's Daddy. What did you drink that was blue? Oh. Should have known. What you making?
It's really good.
Pretty.
It's for you. Don't look at the
Okay.
left.